talk, pink polos, I hurt the rock. Before Cam got the shit to pop, the doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got this cute wig. I'm so obsessed. I was really excited for this one. I loved this color because I've tried it before, but I wanted to try it in a shorter length. And this is how it's looking. I kind of wanted to give it like a blowout look. It's a bit more curled than normal, but like I still like it. So cute. No complaints at all. I got this from Westkiss, of course, and this is their 16-inch highlighted wig, 180 density, 13 by 4, and it's transparent lace, but why is it giving HD? Did that. And yeah, this is so cute. I just wanted to try something a little different and short and cute. No complaints about this hair. I will put all the information in the description down below and also the link to this hair. And yeah, enough of me talking. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I already got this situation going on, and just like it's the usual, so that's why I didn't really film it. And I didn't braid my hair. I just sleeked it back kind of, and then did like 4 braids in the back. Nothing crazy, but here is the wig. This is what it's looking like. So cute. One of my favorite style of wigs. I did try this wig before for Mega Look. This one is now from Westkiss, and I got it in a shorter length. I have like an idea in mind, like kind of layered look and messy type of vibe, but we'll see how it goes. And I did bleach the knots, bleached really well. Yeah, like you guys can see. But it is transparent lace, so it has like a tint to it, like a white cast, so you do have to put some tints onto this or like a lot of foundation just so that it blends well. But other than that, there's nothing else. You guys can see it's a 13 by 4. Hair feels good. Didn't do anything to the hair. I did pluck a little bit, but I'm just gonna put some tints on this and then I'll be right back. I'm so excited. I just put it on my head and it's already giving. I love this color. I don't know, something about this color. I think it's because my hair was this color. I just realized. And I haven't dyed my hair in like 2 years. I'm just letting the color grow out. And by the way, guys, don't mind me. Like, my eyebrows are growing out, my eyelashes. I'm trying to take an eyelash break. And yeah. But anyways, here's how it's looking. It's really giving. Yeah, I'm trying to go for more of a natural vibe. So probably not going to make it too close to my forehead. But I don't want to deal with glue on my hairline. So let's just bring it as low as possible. I think that looks pretty normal, so I'm just making marks on where I'm going to have this hairline. Just going to clean up the area with some alcohol, and then I'm going to go in with my Bolt Hold, but this time I'm not using the Bolt Hold Active. The glue I'll be using is Bolt Hold Extreme Cream, so same thing, but not as strong, but it still works. It's winter anyway, so I'm not like sweating or getting oily that much. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna do about 3 to 4 layers. Alright, so now that it's pretty much clear, I'm just going to match up the dots like usual. Now I'm going to clip this up, and they sent me this cute melting band, so why not wear it? Just like that, and I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then I'll cut the lace. Alright, time to cut this lace. Ooh. And I'm going to use both scissors and an eyebrow razor. Just keep switching them around. It's so crazy how this like looks like scalp right now, crazy. But I'm just gonna wipe off the little dots. And I'll be melting the lace one more time. I'm actually gonna try out a new hairspray. It's not new, like I've been using it. It's more of a spritz, let me show you. It's this Affinity Spritz and Shine Styling Spray. I'm gonna see if it can melt this lace even a bit more. I've run out of so many of my melting products, but we move. Then one more time with the melting band. And I'm pretty sure I know what style I'm going for, which is crazy because I normally don't. Yeah, I'm kind of like a blowout look. And I'm just gonna have fun with it, do some layers and everything. And yeah. I think at first I'm gonna work from the bottom up and add some curls. Actually, or I don't know, I'm confused on how to go about this, but okay, maybe I'm gonna hot comb first. I'm gonna hot comb it into the middle and then I'll go in and cut some layers and then style. So I'll just do that and I'll speed it up. Okay, this is what we're working with. Looks like I need to tint a bit more, but it is all super melted. That's great. I don't even know if I need baby hairs with this look. Maybe I do. Yes, I do. I'm gonna do a little bit. I don't have much to work with on this side. It's okay. First, just gonna hot comb everything. I mean my edges, not everything. Let's do that. Everything back. Oh, let me actually find the middle part as well. Gonna cut them, curl them, and then mousse them. Got my mousse. And just gonna lay them. So I just wrapped it, and I promise it's the last time that we're wrapping it. And now, just gotta curl that little front piece. I might even cut it shorter. We'll see. Yeah, honestly, I think I will cut it shorter. Just do the same thing on this side. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry and then I'll be back to brush everything out. Alright, I'm so excited. Wow. Edges looking really good. Perfect. Don't even have to cut them. I did cut them pretty short this time around. Not like you do. Not bad at all. Maybe just a bit of plucking. Perfect. Edges are edging. All right. I'm so scared to brush. I don't know why, but it should be good. Now for the big reveal. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's giving, I don't even know, 70s, 80s? It's one of those. Yes. Actually perfect. I guess when it like kind of dies down, it'll be a little bit better. But I can live with this. Are you kidding? Okay, now I see that I do have to flatten it. I didn't want it to be too flat, but now I see. And yes, I am using my Beauty by Delina wax stick. You guys can find it. Actually, I should be putting it on my website, so you guys can find it on my website at beautybydelina.com and also in the salon, of course. Yes, ma'am. Let me just do the middle part. I think that's all that's left, and then we're pretty much done. I'm going to do this part off camera because my battery's going to die. Then I'll be right back. Alright, this is the final look, and I love it. Oh my goodness. Here is a full view of the hair. It's definitely giving like super blowout. I bet like when it calms down a little bit, like when the curls loosen, it'll look much better. But I am obsessed. So cute. So cute. Here's a full look of the hair. Feels really soft, styled really easily. No problems at all. I'll see how this wears throughout the week. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I did. And if you guys did, give me a thumbs up, comment below what you'd like to see next, or if you have any questions, make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!